Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell items on YBA. The most effective and often only way to sell your valuable items is by engaging in direct player-to-player trades. You'll need to navigate to the specific trading hub within the game, which is usually a designated area where players gather to exchange goods. This method ensures you can directly negotiate prices and find buyers for your unique inventory. Before you start trading, it's crucial to know the worth of your items. Spend some time observing what other players are selling and buying, and for how much. Rare stands, valuable cosmetics, or specific evolution items often fetch higher prices. Knowing your item's value helps you set a fair price and avoid being scammed, ensuring you get the best possible deal. Once you've found a potential buyer, approach them and initiate a trade request. Both players will then place their items into the trade window. Double-check that all the agreed-upon items are present and that the quantity is correct. Take your time to verify everything before hitting the Accept button. A successful trade requires clear communication and careful confirmation from both sides. To maximize your profits, patience is key. Don't feel pressured to accept the first offer you receive. Politely negotiate for a better price. Always be wary of suspicious offers or players trying to rush you. If an offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Prioritize safe trading practices to protect your valuable inventory and ensure a positive selling experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.